Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. So for that you need to open up your Google Docs first, then click on this option of extensions on the top, and here you will find this option of add-ons. Just click on get add-ons, wait for it to load, and then search for GPT for docs. GPT for sheets and docs would be fine too. And this is how it will look like. Just click on it and install it. It will ask for certain permissions, then you need to give some permissions and it will be running quite fine. After giving permissions, it will be installed, and when you click on this option of extensions again, you will be able to see this option of GPT for Sheets. Here you will find this option of set API key. Just click on it, and now we need to open up Google and search for ChatGPT API, and just open up this option of OpenAI API key, and this is where it will lead you to. After that you need to click on this option of create a new secret key, and a new key will be created. Just copy this and go to your Google Docs, and now you have to paste that key that we just copied and click on check. If your free trial is expired and you don't have a paid version, then you won't be able to use this, and you can create new accounts any day on ChatGPT. So if you want to use the free trial, then you can just create a new email on or new account on ChatGPT, and after that use the API key of that account. And in my case the free trial is already over, and after that you need to just save the API key. After that click on extensions again, then click on GPT for Sheets and click on launch sidebar. Wait for it to load, and a sidebar will be provided to you. Here you can type all the prompts and click on submit. After that ChatGPT will be working quite fine with your Google Docs. And this is how you integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.